Purchasing travel insurance in Pakistan has become easier with online platforms. Travelers can now buy insurance from any city, thanks to digital services offered by companies like the United Insurance Company of Pakistan, which provides embassy-approved plans for Schengen countries and other destinations. If you want to buy travel health insurance for visa application, you have to provide details, destination country, travel dates as per your visa application, a copy of your passport, address, contact number, and a nominee, name and relationship of a blood relative. You can pay by Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa, or online bank transfers. Get your insurance documents via WhatsApp. It is as simple as that. Contact by WhatsApp 0301 507 0947.